I'm going to give you a quick Facebook tutorial really fast. All right, so if you want to like this picture, you can point to like and just click on it and it will just do a thumbs up. Or if you just hover over like, you can love it, haha, wow, sad, or angry. So I'll just like this picture. So that's how you do that. If you want to add a picture or write something, type what you want to do, go here to photos, and you got to navigate to your pictures and find what you want to post. So I'm just going to go here, and I know I got some different redheaded woodpecker pictures. I'll add that one, that one. That one. And then you could tag, if I was with you at the time, you could type my name there, but I'll go ahead and just hit post. So there, that's just a quick little tutorial on how to run Facebook.